Hello, and welcome back to what we are calling Summer School 2020. It is our extended school year, and we are working on day 14 work. We're going to start out day 14 with some subtraction problems. Our directions are: follow the directions to solve each problem. So the problem will tell us what to do. And as I look at these problems, I see that we're going to be using numbers that are in the hundreds. Like we start with 800, and we will write the number that is 200 less. So I know that we are going to be doing some subtraction with numbers in the hundreds, and I'm going to use the number line that we used earlier. Okay, so here we go. Here's our number line, and I will start with number 1. Start with 800. Write the number that is 200 less. So we're going to subtract. We start at 800 right here, and we will find the number that is 200 less. So we're going to go this way. 200 less means we're going to move or jump 2 times for 200. Ready? 1, 2. What's our answer? 600. That's great. Next one, number 2, we are going to start with 600. Write the number that is 300 less. So I start with 600 right here, and I need the number that is 300 less. So I will move or jump 3 times this way because I'm subtracting. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 300. Very good. Number 3, I will start with 200 and write the number that is 100 less. So I start with 200, and I'm going to move or jump backwards 1 time. So here's 200 where we start, jump back 1 time. Our answer is 100. That's great. Next, number 4, we are going to start with 700 and write the number that is 500 less. We will start at 700 and move or jump 5 times for the 500, 5 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our answer is 200. We've got 2 more. Number 5, we will start with 900 and write the number that is 400 less. So here's our 900, and we're going to write the number 400 less. So we need to move or jump 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 500. Number 6. We are going to start with 600 and write the number that is 100 less. We start with 600 and we will move or jump 1 time to the left. 1 time. So our answer is 500. Excellent. Very good on that. We're going to move along and do a little bit of reading. This is talking about loyalty. I'm going to read this and you can decide if you want to do this project. Loyalty list. How can you show loyalty this summer? Being loyal means supporting and standing up for those you love. What can you do to practice this important trait? Try making a loyalty list. Ask an adult for a large sheet of poster board and markers. Write the things that you will do to show loyalty to those you love, such as your family and friends. Then, decorate the poster board with pictures of your friends and family. With the adult's permission, place the poster on the wall or door in your bedroom. It will help you remember how you can be loyal every day. After a week, look at your loyalty list and write examples of how you have shown your loyalty. So that's a great idea if you would like to try that, and you will probably need to ask for a little bit of help. Ask for poster board and markers and maybe some help making that poster for loyalty for family and friends. Or you might choose to do something kind for someone. Being kind to people is a way of showing loyalty, and that's great. We're going to move along. Here is the other side for day 14. We are going to complete each number pattern. Write the rule. So this is patterning. And we're going to try to figure out each pattern. Let's look at number 7. 2, 4, 6, 8. What comes next? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great. I am sure that you knew what comes next because you know that when you hear 2, 4, 6, 8, we are counting by twos, which is the same as adding 2. That is super. Next we have 10, 20, 30. What comes next? Well, you know when you hear 10, 20, 30, we are counting by tens. Good job. Which is the same as adding 10. Let's keep the pattern going. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's great. Next one. 5, 10, 15. What comes next? When you hear 5, 10, 15, you know that you are counting by what? You are counting by fives, which is the same as adding 5. And you probably also knew that after 15 is 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Great job counting by fives. Last one, number 10, 3, 6, 9, 12. That one's a little harder. We don't have quite as much practice with it, but we have done this one before. 3, 6, 9, 12. Remember one time when we practiced 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are counting by threes, which is the same as adding 3. So we've got 2 beats in between each number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Great job on patterns. Last of all, we have a little writing challenge. We are going to pretend that you are planning a silly Saturday party. Write a letter to invite someone to your party. All right, so this is a silly Saturday party and it's for pretend. So I will just make up a person. We are going to use, how about Snoopy? Dear Snoopy. What do we want to say to invite Snoopy to a silly Saturday party? We could say, please come. Please come. Please come. Come where? Come to my And then we have to say what. What is it? My what? My silly Saturday party. My silly Saturday party. Now we have to tell Snoopy when or what time. It is, so let's make up a day. Saturday, we'll just say June because we're in the month of June. And we'll just make up a number. We'll just say the 26th. And we'll just pretend it's the same year as this year. Oops, no period yet. 2020, we still need a time. So we'll say at 2 o'clock p.m. because we want it in the afternoon, not in the middle of the night. And we can maybe say one more thing about the party. Maybe we will have fun. We will have fun. And we can also say, I hope I will see you, or I hope to see you. I hope to see you. There. Your friend, and you can go ahead and put your name. I will put Miss Kim. And you have a little fitness challenge there. You can try to hop on your left foot 10 times if you would like to try that. It's always a nice break to get your blood moving and get your brain awake. And that is all the work we have for day 14. And I will see you next time.